Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I will show you what I draw when I don't know what to draw. Okay, so today I will make something like this, similar to this, and it's very easy. If you think that you can draw a lion, I believe you can draw this. The very first thing I need to do, I will do is just to draw a frame like this. Then I will use my pencil to draw a pear shape. So it should be something like this. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. So I will draw here just to give you a better view. Actually, it's just something like this, and this. Then you will be great. Okay, so we have this. Then I will draw the stem. Okay, then we will just draw lines, one line after the other. Okay, once you got here, you need to draw the line avoiding the shapes you have drawn before. Okay, I finished with my lines. Then I will color my pear. I use green, this green, but you can use any color you want. Okay, that's it. It's very easy and fast, and you do not need to think much about it. You just need to draw the lines, then you will be okay. Okay, I hope it helps. I will see you again in my next videos. Please help me supporting this channel by giving me your like, share, and also subscribe. Bye for now.